The universe holds countless mysteries, but one cosmic event has recently stirred both awe and fear: the possible explosion of the red supergiant star Betelgeuse. This isn't just any star. Betelgeuse is a massive giant in the Orion constellation. Its potential explosion could be one of the most spectacular events our galaxy has ever witnessed. Adding to the intrigue and the fear is its recent unusual behavior. Astronomers have observed strange dimming patterns, sparking debates about whether it might be on the verge of going supernova. Some experts think this could happen sooner than previously thought. But what does this mean for us? The implications of Betelgeuse's potential explosion go far beyond simple curiosity. This isn't just about seeing a bright light in the night sky, it's a cosmic event with the potential to send shock waves across our solar system. Adding to the tension, tech billionaire Elon Musk has weighed in, making alarming predictions. Musk claims that if Betelgeuse were to explode, the consequences could be catastrophic, possibly even destroying life on Earth within 2 weeks. Though it sounds like something out of a sci-fi thriller, the reality might not be so far-fetched. Could Betelgeuse's sudden demise truly spell disaster for our planet? Should we prepare for a world-ending event, or is there more to this cosmic drama? Scientists are racing to gather data, and with each day that passes, the suspense builds. The clock is ticking, and the stakes couldn't be higher. In this video, we're delving into the science, speculations, and bold predictions surrounding Betelgeuse's possible explosion. From its recent dimming episodes to Musk's doomsday warning, we'll break down what you need to know about this potentially apocalyptic event. Could we be on the verge of witnessing the end of everything we know? Let's find out. Betelgeuse is not an ordinary star, it's a celestial giant, a vast beacon of light that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Nestled in the Orion constellation, Betelgeuse is one of the brightest and most recognizable stars in the night sky. However, few realize that Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, an astronomical rarity located about 640 light-years from Earth. Its sheer size and brightness make it a subject of intense scientific interest. To grasp its scale, consider this: if Betelgeuse were at the center of our solar system, it would engulf the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and even Mars. What makes Betelgeuse particularly intriguing is that it's nearing the final stages of its life cycle. As a red supergiant, it's burning through its nuclear fuel at a staggering pace. Unlike our stable Sun, which has billions of years left, Betelgeuse's lifespan is relatively short and dramatic. The life of a red supergiant ends in one of the universe's most awe-inspiring and violent events, a supernova. When Betelgeuse finally exhausts its fuel, its core will collapse under its own gravity, triggering an explosion that could outshine entire galaxies. Imagine one star brighter than everything else in the night sky. If this event occurs, Betelgeuse would be visible even during the day, creating a cosmic spectacle of unimaginable proportions. But when will this happen? While astronomers have long known that Betelgeuse will explode someday, recent events have raised new concerns. The star has dimmed in ways never observed before. Could this be a sign that its end is imminent? Are we witnessing the final death throes of this colossal star, or is something even more mysterious at play? Betelgeuse isn't just a point of light in the sky, it's a ticking time bomb, a star in the twilight of its existence, ready to go out with a bang. The uncertainty surrounding its explosion has both astronomers and the public on edge. Are we about to witness one of the most extraordinary events in cosmic history, or is Betelgeuse simply teasing us by delaying the inevitable? The tension is palpable, and the possibilities are endless. When Elon Musk speaks, people listen. Whether discussing Mars colonization, electric cars, or reusable rockets, Musk's words have a way of grabbing headlines and sparking intense discussions. Recently, he turned his attention to the heavens, making a shocking prediction: Betelgeuse, the red supergiant star, might explode within the next 2 weeks. Suddenly, the possibility of a supernova became more than an abstract scientific concept, it became a global topic of discussion. Musk's prediction isn't typical sensationalism. With a track record of diving into advanced scientific topics and ventures in space exploration with SpaceX, Musk is deeply involved in the study of space. Although he's not an astronomer by profession, Musk has a knack for simplifying complex cosmic phenomena in ways that capture the public's imagination. His bold claim about Betelgeuse has reignited a sense of urgency and curiosity about what's happening beyond our atmosphere. But could he be correct? When one of the world's most influential tech pioneers claims that a nearby star could explode at any moment, it's hard to ignore. Musk's words have sent ripples across social media, fueling widespread speculation. Some are excited at the thought of witnessing a supernova in their lifetime, an extraordinary event few could dream of experiencing. Others, however, are more concerned about the potential risks to Earth if such an explosion occurs. The question on everyone's mind is, why 2 weeks? Does Musk know something the public doesn't? Astronomers have been tracking Betelgeuse's dimming, but predicting a precise timeline for a supernova is notoriously difficult. Nonetheless, Musk's confidence in suggesting a specific time frame has heightened the suspense. While many experts doubt the accuracy of his prediction, his comments have undeniably brought widespread attention to Betelgeuse's erratic behavior. As with many of Musk's statements, the line between reality and speculation remains thin. Elon Musk's recent prediction about a potential explosion of Betelgeuse has reignited public interest in astronomy, with people now eagerly watching for every flicker of the star. While the scientific community remains cautious, Musk's words have undeniably brought cosmic events into mainstream conversation, sparking curiosity and making us all wonder, what if he's right? Could we be days away from witnessing a supernova, a phenomenon that hasn't been observed this close to Earth in centuries? Musk's influence reaches beyond the realms of space enthusiasts and scientists. His statement has stirred emotions ranging from awe to outright fear. Is Betelgeuse's potential explosion truly an existential threat, or are we simply swept up in Musk's characteristic bravado? As time passes, people are keeping a close watch on Betelgeuse and the skies above, wondering if Musk's prediction will come to fruition. If Betelgeuse were indeed to explode, the sight would be nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine a star suddenly flaring to life, becoming one of the brightest objects in the night sky, so brilliant that it could even be visible during the day. Such an event would transcend the realm of astronomy, becoming a global phenomenon that could unite people around the world as they gaze in wonder at the same celestial display. For weeks, the supernova's light would rival the brightness of the full moon, captivating not only stargazers and astronomers but anyone who happens to look up. Schools, parks, and rooftops around the world would likely transform into impromptu observatories, where families and friends could come together to marvel at the cosmos. In an era when the world often feels divided, the shared experience of witnessing such an explosion could serve as a powerful reminder of our common humanity and the mysteries that bind us together. The cultural impact of Betelgeuse's supernova would be profound. Throughout history, humans have looked to the stars for inspiration, guidance, and meaning. A supernova of this magnitude could reignite our collective imagination, sparking new discussions about humanity's place in the universe and our relationship with the cosmos. Artists, writers, and thinkers might find fresh inspiration, moved by this dramatic display of nature's power. The scientific community, too, would be abuzz with activity, as telescopes worldwide focus on capturing invaluable data to deepen our understanding of supernovae and stellar life cycles. Public interest in astronomy could surge, potentially leading to greater support for science education and space exploration initiatives. Schools might incorporate this event into their curricula, inspiring a new generation of astronomers, physicists, and engineers. Yet, such a supernova would also prompt questions and speculations. What might the light from Betelgeuse reveal about the star's composition and the mechanics of its explosion? Could its brightness lead to unforeseen consequences in our atmosphere or technology? How would different cultures interpret the event, and what new myths or stories might arise from this modern celestial drama? As we contemplate the potential of Betelgeuse's explosion, we can't help but wonder about the event's significance in our lives. In a universe that often feels vast and indifferent, the death of a star might rekindle our sense of wonder and curiosity about the cosmos. Future generations might recount stories of this moment, reshaping our understanding of existence. As we await this possible cosmic spectacle, one thing is certain: Betelgeuse's supernova would become an unforgettable chapter in humanity's shared story, a dazzling reminder of the beauty and mystery beyond our world. Elon Musk has consistently proven to be a catalyst for public interest in space, disrupting fields from electric vehicles to renewable energy to space exploration. His bold claim about Betelgeuse's potential explosion has done something few others could achieve. It has captured the world's imagination and redirected attention to the mysteries of the cosmos. Whether or not Musk's prediction of Betelgeuse's imminent supernova turns out to be accurate, his words have sparked curiosity that extends beyond the scientific community. In a time when space exploration can feel distant or reserved for professionals, Musk has brought cosmic phenomena into everyday conversations. The very thought that a star could explode and be visible from Earth in our lifetimes is enough to make anyone look up with renewed wonder. This is where Musk excels, making the distant and complex feel tangible and immediate, engaging the public in ways that traditional science communication sometimes struggles to do. Through ventures like SpaceX, Musk has been at the forefront of reviving public interest in space travel, Mars colonization, and humanity's future beyond Earth. Now, by drawing attention to something as unpredictable as a potential supernova, he has also managed to make the mysteries of the stars part of a global conversation. People who may have never followed astronomical developments are now talking about Betelgeuse, wondering what would happen if it explodes and what that might mean for Earth. Musk's flair for attention-grabbing statements is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it raises awareness of real scientific phenomena and encourages people to learn about the universe. On the other, it sometimes blurs the line between science fiction and science fact. Yet, perhaps this ambiguity is part of his appeal. Musk has injected a sense of urgency and drama into space exploration, making it feel less like a distant dream and more like an immediate concern. Whether he is launching reusable rockets, planning Mars missions, or predicting star explosions, Musk has undeniably brought the cosmos back into our collective imagination. Musk has reshaped the way we view humanity's place in the universe. Even if Betelgeuse doesn't explode in the next 2 weeks, as Musk has hinted, the attention he's drawn to this astronomical event has already ignited a broader public engagement with space. People who might have once been indifferent to the mysteries of the cosmos are now asking questions, watching the sky, and contemplating the life cycles of stars. Perhaps this is Musk's real contribution, not just generating headlines, but sparking a renewed public fascination with the vastness of space. Though Musk's predictions may not always be accurate, they do something even more impactful. They encourage us to look beyond ourselves, beyond our daily routines, and toward the boundless expanse of space. His speculations remind us that we are part of something far greater, something awe-inspiring and humbling. Could Musk's musings on Betelgeuse be the catalyst for a new era of interest in space exploration, one that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge? While that remains uncertain, one thing is clear: more people are looking skyward, captivated and curious about what lies ahead. Ultimately, whether Betelgeuse explodes soon or not, this event has reminded us of the powerful and unpredictable forces at work in the universe. It serves as a stark reminder that despite our technological advancements, we are still subject to cosmic events beyond our control. Yet, within this uncertainty lies beauty. Betelgeuse's eventual explosion will represent both destruction and rebirth, potentially inspiring us to seek even deeper understanding of the universe. For scientists eager to gather data and for the curious gazing at the night sky, Betelgeuse's explosion will be a once-in-a-lifetime event, a chance to witness the end of a star and the beginning of something new, captivating the world. Until then, we wait, eyes on the sky, ready to witness one of the universe's most spectacular phenomena. What are your thoughts on this? Are you excited or concerned about the possible explosion of Betelgeuse? Let us know in the comments below.